Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do another unboxing of an iPhone 11 related product to go along with the rest of the videos I've made about the iPhone 11. So this time I am unboxing the Mkeke screen protector that I got on Amazon. It's actually one of the most popular screen protectors for iPhones on Amazon. So I thought it'd be fun to test it out on video and give you an idea of what it's like before you buy it for yourself. And so let's cut it open and see. I got an iPhone 11 here, brand new, which just unboxed, and I'll have a video on that as well that I'll link up above. And so we're going to put this screen protector on the phone and see how it fits. Hopefully it works well. So, cut it open. And so it does come with three protectors, I believe. Yeah, it comes with three protectors. It says the surface hardness is a 9H, which if you watched your anything, you know most things scratch between a 6 and a 7. So this one is nice because it comes with a little cover that you clip right onto your phone to install the screen protector. So it has this little guide. It does include 3 pouches that probably include the cleaning wipes and the stickers and the guide tools. It includes a nice big cleaning rag, microfiber rag, and then just the 3 screen protectors that you need for your phone. So I'll put 2 of these back, 2 of the little pouches back, and keep one out to install on the phone. So we'll push that off to the side. And the instructions are in here. Says step 1, wash your hands and use the included alcohol swab and microfiber fabric to clean the LCD screen. So we'll open up this little pouch, see what we got inside. Usually it's stickers, and it looks like it's a sticker and a microfiber wipe. So just big alcohol wipe and a big sticker for dust control. So first up, I like to wipe it down with this microfiber rag to get a lot of the smudges off. Even though I just unboxed this, it looks like it's got quite a few finger marks on it, so we'll want to get those off before I install this. It's always a good thing, right? Alright, that looks pretty clean. So cleaned it with the microfiber, clean it with the alcohol wipe, I should say. I may be supposed to be using the alcohol first and then the microfiber. Yeah, use the alcohol first and then the microfiber. So it looks nice and clean. Got some bright lights in here so I can see everything that's on it, which is awesome because nothing drives me more crazy than having one little piece of dust or hair or floating particle under your screen protector after you install it. Just drives me bonkers, and you can see it when it's like white text and all rainbowy, and that just annoys me a lot. So I'm gonna hope to avoid that in this scenario. That looks pretty good. I'll get the sticker out. After I use the sticker, it says to peel the protective layer off the adhesive side, align the screen protector up evenly with the front speaker, and run parallel screen-wise. So it never says to use the guide, but I'll put that on after I do this. So this one's different than the other ones I've used. This one's kind of interesting. It's more like a film. I don't know if that works better or not. Usually the ones that I've got off Amazon are just stickers, and so this one's a little different, but seems to do pretty much the same job. So can't complain about that. There's a little piece right there that I can't get. too careful, right? Alright. Put that off to the side. And put this little clip on. Assume this one goes at the top. Clips on just like that, which is super awesome. It goes on nice and quickly. Looks like I got a little piece on there now, so I'm gonna suction that back off. Alright, ready to put the actual screen protector on. So this guide is super nice because the screen protector fits super tight on the inside, and so it's really hard to mess this up, I believe. Famous last words, right? So, no, that looked like it went on pretty well. There's some air bubbles under there, but sometimes those come out with time. It just needs to breathe a little bit. Let's turn it on and see how I did. So I don't know if you can see. Looks pretty good. I'd say that's a win for sure. Yeah, we're looking good. Cool. Alright. So, overall, I think that went really good. As far as screen protectors go, I found some are better than others. I haven't tried Mkeke for sure, or I haven't tried Mkeke before, and so I can't really give a good idea on the longevity. But I'll keep you guys updated, do another video a couple months from now, and let you know how well this screen protector is held up, and if it's something that I would recommend. It has 25,000 reviews on Amazon. I think they just update their models as the new phones come out to keep their reviews. But overall, with that many reviews and that many high stars, I think it's pretty good. I think it's great to have them on, especially because they're so cheap. I think this 3-pack was like $8 on Amazon. And so if you drop your phone or something scratches it, you don't have to really think twice. It's like a couple bucks to change it out. So I think it's worth having. I'll include links in the description below so you can check it out as well. So with that, thank you for watching. I'll have more iPhone 11 videos coming up. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you can videos, and it'll let other people know that I am making good videos that are worthwhile watching. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.